Happy Wednesday, middle of the week. It's active time of financial markets. Vegan Bankery is on the wire. Do you know what is the largest operation of financial markets? Currency exchange. Over $5 trillion are exchange traded daily on the financial markets. Not bad. Doesn't mean that you can convert easily one currency into another. Is the currency freely convertible? We know that currency in each country are managed by the central authority. So the central authority, as an instrument, can impose some limitation on convertibility of the currency. For example, in order to protect the economy from the external financial crisis, or then the economy is closed, or then the economy is weak, not big enough to withstand the big international money flow. The North Korean won and Cuban peso as non-convertible currencies. There are also currencies which are partly convertible. The largest partly convertible currencies are Chinese yuan and Indian rupee. What does it mean? So, for example, in China, you can freely convert money on the current accounts, but the capital accounts are restricted or subject to certain conditions. Definitely the largest currencies like the American dollar, European euro, Japanese yen, British pound, they are freely convertible. And what is the value? How you define the value? How much dollars you can exchange for the euros? So the exchange rate, it's the ratio how much money in other currency you can get for 1 unit of your own currency. For example, $1, for $1 American dollar, I can get 1.33 or 1 Australian dollar, 33 cents in this currency. But doesn't mean that the rate fixed. The majority of the currencies are floating rates, and the rate is floating or changed almost every second, and it's influenced by a number of factors, and we'll talk about it next time. But there are also still currencies, the rates are fixed or the rates, exchange rates are linked. Again, this is big economy. The Chinese yuan, till 2005, the rate was fixed. Yuan was fixed to US dollar. Then, in order to support the flow, to make the economy more competitive, the government decided to give a little bit flexibility to the rate. Then in 2012, to support further, we have a friend here, to support further the economy development and its competitiveness in the market, and also to support international trade with its partners, the rate is linked now to the basket of the currencies. The largest are still dollar, euro, South Korean won, and Japanese yen, but also other 6 currencies of the main trading partners of China. So that's it probably for currency today, and we'll talk about the exchange rate and what influenced the exchange rate next time. See you Wednesday in 2 weeks' time.